What's really good, LeSBP Trading familia? Buenos dias, bonjour, bon dia, salbona, guten abend, como va, masa kea, afta. Thank you all for tuning in. So today we'll be talking probably our last two videos on the Leap TradingView challenge. Let's jump right into it because to be honest, I don't have much to share. I don't think I'm going to get any trades, and I just kind of want to go over where I see the market and hopefully what we'll see happen next. All right, so if you don't already know, this is the Leap competition held by TradingView. We have 17 hours, no minutes, and some odd seconds left. Down to the last little bit here. $25,000 in cash prizes and 6 additional months for your current subscription. The paper trading competition is back and we're shaking things up. This contest, the top 50 traders will compete for a share of $25,000 and 200 more traders will get 6-month extensions for their current plans. We have dropped tremendously in placement. Right now we are 55,053 place with a negative realized loss of $2,148.01. I think the last video I was not technically under, but I had an unrealized loss already. But man, we just completely started to bomb. Our top number one place is at $20,038.12, and then our top 10th place is Mert at $17,663.11. Man, they are doing numbers. I need their trading bots. I need the trading bots ASAP. But actually, you know what? I'll probably do that later. I'll probably go look at these. Let me open that as a new link because I do want to talk about or see if they sell any kind of trading bots later. But either way, looking at the trades or looking at the market currently right now, man, we had some really, really good opportunities. And I'm going to put myself down here in the corner for the first time because I think that I'm going to be doing more talking than really showing the charts. But we had some really good opportunities this past week, which I feel like we slightly fumbled. Why is this broken? I didn't know that was broken. I don't remember seeing that. But either way, that's some really good opportunities that to me I felt like, we could have capitalized on. We just really missed them. So there was a buy position here that we were supposed to be in, and we just missed it. Literally, I think since pretty much a little bit after last week, we missed that position. So somewhere like in here, and it just kind of went up. For BTC, we missed a buy position, but that buy position came in the middle of the night, so I can't really count it as much. But I also found out that I was using some slightly incorrect parameters for my EMA because the EMA should have looked something similar to what the line I just drew. While in reality, it kind of looked more like this, kind of, sort of. Like, that's horrible. But something like that. It wasn't exactly like that, but it kind of looked more like it was going through price rather than going right below the price. And it does hug it, but something like that. So either way, that's one thing that I kind of figured out, but it's too little too late. Of course, I realized that yesterday. I want to say yesterday, the day before, and I was like, ooh, that would have been so much better because I wouldn't have missed or I wouldn't have I got into like three really bad trades right here, back to back to back, and end up taking like huge losses. So it's all good. I mean, that's what we're here to find out. Same kind of similar, same thing with Ethereum. I believe that right here it kind of came through and then it teetered right here, like almost touched and then went up. So this would have been kind of the same difference. But to be honest, either way, we kind of muffed the ball on this one because this one was actually okay the whole time. So nothing there for today. And then on our last few days here, we had a sell trade, which I think I should be showing. We had a sell trade. This one here. And we took an L. We took an L on this very last trade. I believe the last time I said something, we were still in the trade and it was kind of going up and down. But yeah, we took the L on that one. Gold was okay. Gold was okay all the way through, but like I said, we'll kind of go over the thick of it. Most of all of what I was supposed to take and not supposed to take. We'll go through that in a whole new video. that'll probably be the last video we do about the Leap Challenge, which will be, I'll record that possibly tomorrow. As for silver, we didn't get any other opportunities in the last few days. I think we had maybe one more that I could have taken, but it would have been like more, as you can see, I kind of separated those trades. So the Leap Challenge in comparison to the miscellaneous ones. The miscellaneous ones are the ones that like, oops. The miscellaneous ones are the ones where I could have taken on like that 5 minute time frame or use a smaller time frame to gather up to the 2 hour. Those are the miscellaneous trades, and I'll kind of talk about those, like I said, a little bit more in the next video. But as for now, we didn't have any other opportunities. Same thing for Euro USD. We didn't have any other opportunities here in the last few days. Actually, this one, I think we haven't had an opportunity on this one for like, I want to say a good week. Oh no, we did. I guess on the 20. Oh yeah. My dumbass. We did have one, and then that's the one we took. That's the only one we took this week. But other than that, yeah, we didn't have any other opportunities. So nothing up in here in the last day or two, basically. And then oil, I didn't want to talk about it. Oil, as you know, I didn't trust it anymore. This was the last opportunity that we received, which was on the 25th. And as you can see, if we were still in that opportunity, or if we had jumped into the opportunity currently right now, we'd be in drawdown. We did not jump into that last opportunity because I just didn't trust oil anymore. So in my head, I feel like oil is one of the things that I should have learned from early. You know, after I think we took like 4 back-to-back losses and then had the one winner where we missed. I should have just said, you know what, oil's done. I'm good. But that's not something that we did because in my head, I just wanted to make sure I exhausted every option of trading on all of the instruments, all of the pairs, or whatever you want to call them. So, yeah, I felt like my best one would have been S&P 500, but I don't know. It threw me a couple curveballs in there, and we just didn't do so well with following the strategy. But once again, I will go over things that I kind of noticed while completing the TradingView Leap Challenge, the Leap Challenge through TradingView. I'll go over that in tomorrow's video, or I'll record it probably tomorrow, but I don't know when I'll release that. Maybe on sometime this week. It'll be sometime this upcoming week. Today is the 29th. Yeah, today's the 29th. So sometime this week in December, in the first week of December, I'll be releasing that video. This current video should be coming out at least by Sunday. So, or Saturday. I don't know. I'm all over the place. But either way, we'll get to it. I appreciate you all for watching through the challenge. If you want to, you can leave a comment, letting me know constructive criticisms of what I could have done better, what you thought of my trades per se. I didn't really give away the strategy because I just feel like it's unfinished. I don't want to tell you what the strategy is, and I mean it's really indicators, EMA and color change candles, stuff like that. But it's not like I don't want to give you the actual parameters because it's unfinished, and I don't want anybody sitting here trying to say, oh, because this happened a long time ago. It's like, oh, you made me lose. And I'm like, bro, I didn't tell you use my strategy. My strategy sucks. I told you I'm a losing trader. A break even to losing trader now, but so it's a little bit better. But somebody claimed that before, and I'm like, nah, bro, I didn't tell you to make that trade. So but either way, I should be coming back to doing lives and stuff like that soon enough. I also want to put money in my Forex.com account. So we have a couple of different things that I'm going to be doing. Futures, Forex.com. I'll probably be talking about that as well because I've noticed some things with futures and Forex, or indices and Forex, that I'll divulge in tomorrow's recorded video. Or maybe I'll record it later on in the day and I'll just fucking get it out of the way because I already have it in my head. And since we're not going to have any more trades, obviously, I might as well get that video out the way too. Actually, you know what? I will do this today. But either way, that'll be in the next video that you'll see. It'll be today for me, but maybe another few days for y'all. So I appreciate it once again. Thank you all. Hopefully, if any of you got to compete in the competition, let me know how y'all did. I would love to hear how you all did as well in the competition if you got to compete. Appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good day. Peace. Dun, 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 dun.